to find routing and account number on Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to find routing and account number on Cash App. So for that, just simply open your Cash App account, and after that on the home screen itself, at the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see a bunch of different options like your bank account, card, Cash App, which is your home screen itself, and the search icon and the other options. And in order to find out your routing number and your account number, all you have to do is just simply click on the banking icon at the bottom left hand side corner of the mobile screen. Just simply tap on it and it will open up the settings for you. And over here on this page, under the cash balance section, you will be able to see the option called account and routing. Just simply have to tap on it and you will be able to see the routing number and account number. As you can see that in my case, I haven't set up my routing number and account number as of now. That is why it isn't showing in my account. But if you have set up your account properly, you will be able to see your account number as well as your routing number on this screen itself. So this is basically how you will be able to find out your routing and account number on Cash App. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.